You remember, Mr. Chairman, I'm going to be very careful here.
Okay.
If you remember, it's one of the reasons we got sued. Okay?
Because what?
Because our policy said that the Board of Supervisors hires and fires, and somebody else did the firing.
I agree with that.
Okay. So
Absolutely.
in 2009, our policy was, when I sat on interviews in the Personnel Committee, we were under the 2009 policy, which states that the Board of Supervisors hires and fires.
Okay.
Okay.
So what does the Personnel Committee?
Now.
What's the role of the Personnel Committee?
Huh?
What's the role of the Personnel Committee?
They hire and they interview and hire and fire under this
the
policy.
board, not the Personnel Committee.
Well, it's part of the board.
No.
No,
The board is different from the Personnel Committee. The Personnel Committee is a subsection of the board.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Under 2009,
Okay.
you and I and Mr. Birdsall sat on the Personnel Committee. We had the authority to recommend to the board as a Personnel Committee who to hire and who to fire. Okay? That's under our policy.
Recommendation of the county
No, sir. It does not say anything in this policy about county administrator. It says the board. Now, let me move on.
Right, that's not that. But you go ahead. You go ahead. It's right here.
Let's see.
Historically, the county administrator, the Personnel Committee sit on it.
Not talking about historical.
Well, I'm saying historically.
No.
I'm saying historically, the county administrator and the board members sit on the interview.
You'll see them.
And then after the interviews, they made a recommendation to the board to accept or reject the recommendation for hire and fire.
Now, let's
That's
stop
what it's
this.
done.
Under the old policy, all right, now let me move on. In 2011, we adopted a new personnel policy. So, let me do the visualization so everybody understands. John, this goes away, okay? So that's gone. That no longer is in play. Everybody understands. 2009 policy was done away with. We adopted the 2011 policy, and I hate being so arrogant here, but that's gone, guys. 2011, we adopted a new policy. Under this new policy, the entire authority for hiring and firing went to the county administrator, not the board. Therefore, there is no need for a personnel committee, which was my point earlier in the year. So John, you were not here in November 2011. Here, you want to take another read? Okay. So this new policy gives the county administrator the full authority to hire, fire, and interview, not the board. And let me just go one step further so everybody can understand. Here's the danger of the policy that we were under, and it bothered me the whole time we had it, and I know it bothered other members that used to be on this board. The problem you have when you have board members sitting in interviews on who gets hired and fired, the opportunity for shenanigans and for political payoff is huge.